Yeah. I'm so excited. So, okay, what's the news? I've got another package. It's from Nasreen. Again, in case you don't know, we sometimes swap stuff and send each other art supplies and food and all that. And this time I've got some more mail from Nasreen, but of course I covered the address because privacy and all that. But yeah, just that you know who it's from. I haven't even been waiting that long. I think it took 3 days or 4 days from Ireland to Austria, which is really quick, especially now that it's Christmas time. Oh, so I really didn't expect it to come that quickly, but here it is, and gonna destroy this beautiful paper. There's not much I can use it for anyway, so I hope you forgive me. I'm gonna so it's not a very pretty way to unwrap something, but whatever. So see, gotta turn this around carefully, and I need a knife because this has some sticky tape on it. So I hope you're excited, just like me. And honestly, I have no idea what's in there. I suspect maybe one type of food that I requested. I hope that's in there, but everything else is an absolute mystery. Oh, wait. So yeah, I remember Nasreen telling me that there might be glass in there or something, I don't know. So I'm gonna wear gloves in case something broke or leaked or whatever. It looks more professional that way. I feel like trading some super expensive artwork or something. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's so much in there. I love doing unboxings. Okay, so this is a letter. Gonna have a look what's in there. Oh my god. It is one of those pixel arts that she's doing. It's a pug! Look at it! Oh my god, it's so cute. So I'm gonna read the message later because I'm not sure if I'm supposed to read it in front of everyone, but Christ, this is adorable. So, oh yes, cherry stuff. Oh. Yeah, this is exactly what I requested. The lentil curls. I've never seen those in Austria, so one more reason for me to ask for them, because I wouldn't get them at home, but apparently they sell those in Ireland. I did get them in the last mail and they were bloody delicious, so I had to have some more of them. So, what else is in there? Mac-eye cherry sweets. I haven't heard of those either. And oh my god, there's not even artificial sweetener in that. It's actual sugar. Oh my god, I love that. Usually I hate sweets when they have artificial sweetener in it because it just leaves a stale taste in your mouth. So I'm extra happy. This is how. So I'm just gonna. So okay, what else is there? Oh my goodness. These are gloves. Should I try them over the... I'm gonna try them now. And they're handmade. I think they totally fit. Just a bit hard to put them on. It looks damn sexy, especially with the latex under it. Thank you so much, Nasreen. These are wonderful. And I'm definitely gonna wear them later, but I think they might be hindering me with the unwrapping, so I'm gonna put them aside. But oh my god, they're so soft and squishy like a baby cat. The next thing is there's so much food in there. I'm gonna get fat for Christmas. These are almond fingers. I remember talking about them, but I never had anything like it. And there's a lot of almonds in there, according to the package. No idea what they taste like. I'm gonna taste them. But I will put those aside because I want to know what else is in there. And it feels like I'm not even halfway through. Even more lentils. Oh, so many lentils. They go on the fruit stash. It says it's seaweed pearls, some sort of caviar. But it doesn't look like the original content. I wonder what that might be. What on earth is this? Is this paint or what's that? It looks some sort of it looks like some sort of pastels. Maybe I should read the letter or the description before I open it, but I suspect it's an art supply. That's hard to close. So, what is in there? Oh my goodness, stickers. So I'm gonna put this here. Oh, they're so beautiful. This is, oh, it's an Alphonse Mucha sticker. He's one of my favorite artists. I actually have a poster of one of his artworks right next to me, but I can't film it right now. And Ghibli stickers. Where is it a sticker? I think it's a sticker. And look at that. Oh my god. Why did I get so much stuff? I think my box is not even half as full. Belgian chocolate. This is probably hot chocolate that you just pour into milk. Not that I ever had this one, but I think it's something everyone somehow saw somewhere, so I don't think I have to describe it. It's chocolate. Ah, good. Whew. This was a book that she recommended to me, and she said I have to read it, and I said okay, good, send me the book. I have no idea what it's about exactly. Maybe I have some good guesses, but I'll have to read that and give her a review. I promise that. If has any one of you read that book? That would be interesting, because I haven't heard of it before she told me about it. Maybe you have. I don't know. Then here's some instant latte. This is some coffee or hot chocolate. That feels so weird needing that. Ugh. Like sand. Is this our ASMR already? I don't know. I'm gonna put it on the food stash. And this one is, I think it's some sort of pigment. It was a certain type of rock, I believe, but I forgot what it was. I remember getting a message about it, but now I can't think of it. I'm gonna add some text if I remember it. So yeah. Oh my god, there's another. Can't even see what's in there. There's another pixel one. This is a reindeer. They're so sweet. Okay, so now I'm through. I have to closely inspect all of them after exporting the video, and if I forgot any info, I'm gonna include that. So I will be opening another box from Lana, because us three are always sending each other mail. And they will be opening my boxes and each other's boxes too. So I'm gonna link to their channels so that you can see them. And I have no voice today. Thank you so very much, Nasreen. Those are absolutely great gifts. I hope you like my box as well, because as I'm filming it, I know you already have it at home and you will probably have unwrapped it when the video is online. So yes, I hope you like the stuff. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to leave them in the comments. And especially if you read The Night Circus, tell me what you thought of it, because it might help having an opinion from other people before I start reading it. So yep, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.